Hello and welcome. Today, I'm excited to show you the first gift I received from YouTube, celebrating over 5 years of my channel. But first, I want to take a moment to thank all of you, my viewers, subscribers, and supporters. Without you, this milestone would have meant nothing. I'm truly grateful for your support. Now, let's check out the gift from YouTube. It's a table lamp featuring the YouTube logo. This is a token of appreciation for having an active channel for more than 5 years. Let's take a closer look. Here, we have the lamp, which comes with a sturdy base to keep it securely in place. Alongside the lamp, I see the charger, which is included to ensure the lamp stays powered and ready for use. Let's put it all together and see how it looks. First, we need to connect the lamp to the sturdy base. It's very easy, simply align the grooves in the same direction and press to fasten the lamp securely. After setting the lamp on the holder, the next step is to connect the power supply. As mentioned earlier, here is the charger that we need to connect to the lamp and then plug into the power source. After this brief setup, it's time to see how it works. And that's it. Thanks again to all of you, viewers, supporters, and subscribers. This gift looks fantastic, and I'm grateful from the bottom of my heart to both you and YouTube. I'm looking forward to many more videos in the future and hope that the ones we've made so far have been helpful to you. For those who haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more useful and informative content. Thank you for watching.